Okay, I won't take a picture. It's what? I can't. I can't take a picture. It's not working. No, okay.
I'm scared to come out of the closet.
I think your phone vibrated. Your phone vibrated.
You're lying to me. You want me to run out with no gift.
I'm not kidding. I heard it. I swear on my pinky.
I will sleep in your closet.
I'm not. I'm not. Stop eating an orange in the closet. You're dead.
Dude, I have a meeting with my teacher in the morning. Stop recording it.
I'm not. I honestly promise you. I'm not.
I have no pants on. Oh my god.
I'm not.
I thought it was a ball.
What is a ball you could eat?
I left it on the floor and then I picked it up and I realized it wasn't a ball.
Why would I even?
So I ate it.
Why would I even have a
And I
ball?
smelled your shoe. What are you doing? Stop it. You're recording me.
I'm not recording. I don't even know how to do that. I'm too high.
I really hope you don't figure it out.
I hope you do whatever you do.
Yeah, man. What's on my hair?
Is she awake? What is she sleepwalking?
No, she's going to Nolan's Career Lab.
She brought a backpack though.
Exactly. She's going somewhere because we're loud.
Oh.
We're assholes. We just woke her up.